सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you are watching Shreya Computer Tech channel. Dear friends, today I am going to tell you how to root Asus Zenfone Max with Magisk Manager. So friends, let's get started. Friends, here we need to restart our phone in TWRP recovery mode by pressing volume down and power button simultaneously. When it's boot into TWRP recovery mode, simple select install. When it appears, select the Magisk Manager, file location, select storage. I will store in internal storage. Click on OK. Here the file location of latest Magisk, which is version 15.3. Simple here friends. Click this Magisk and swipe right to install. See here friends, the latest Magisk Manager install in my phone. Then we need to simple wipe cache Dalvik and swipe right to wipe and simple here select reboot. When it asks to prompt to install TWRP, simple uncheck and swipe right to reboot your device. Here we need to install the Root Checker app. Go to Play Store, simple type here Root Checker. Select this app and simple click to install. After it will install, click on Open. Here agree the terms and conditions and click on Get Started. Here friends, click on Verify Root. Invite all for permission. Simple grant here. See here friends, the message appears. Congratulations, root access is properly installed on this device. Afterwards, I will show you the Magisk Manager app. This is the app which I have installed on my phone. The version is 5.5.5, which is early launched in 2018. So friends, hope you like my video. If you like my video, so please press on like button. I will bring you a latest updates on about this device. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye friends.